Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix the connection issues with Jabra Elite 4 active and what are the ways for you to solve this situation. So the first thing is that you want to unpair them from your phone. So if you're using phone for connecting, you want to, if you connected before, you want to go to the settings of it, and then on the bottom right you're gonna have unpair. So you're gonna press unpair and then you're gonna choose like unpair there. So this is the first thing that you can try. The second thing that you can try is that you're gonna have both in a case, and you want to press them both and just hold for about 15 to 20 seconds, and this is the way how you're gonna hard reset them. And you're gonna hold and hold and hold. Okay, and now it should be done. So this is what you can try to do, and maybe it's going to work out for you. So let me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.